Hi, this is Jody, the creator of this client relationship management Notion template. This is just a quick preview to show you what the template looks like and how it works. So at the top, you can see on this homepage all the quick navigation links. Most of these pages have a view on this main page here, just quick views for you. First is the goal tracking. So we have daily goals, weekly goals, and monthly goals set up. These will all auto update based on the current date. So they'll always be auto updating to the current day, week, and month. And as you check your habits off, you can see this progress ring will update for you. So you can see your progress. On the right of that is your full client Rolodex alphabetized. And you can click on any client card to see all of their information. So you can see it's all their info, their contact info, business information. And down below, you can see all the touch points and outreach you had with them, all the client sessions you had with them, and all of their invoices as well. And below that, there's a table showing all of their payment and invoicing details. When we keep scrolling, we see to-dos, outreach to-dos. So this is reaching out to new clients, new contacts, or new whoever. And you can see your to-dos for that week, and you can also see to-dos for that specific day, and you can check them off here as you complete them. And again, this will auto update also based on the current week and the current day. Same with the invoices over here. You can see what invoices are due this week. And these emojis are a nice little visual cue. You can see the check marks here. That is saying that this is all paid because there's $0 owing. So we're all good here. These little money bags are a little bit of an alert because there's $7.50 owing, and the money bags will appear when there is money owing and it's due within 2 days or less. So you'll see that there. Then we keep scrolling, we'll see all your client work and sessions in a timeline view and also in a calendar view. And then I have very in-depth tutorials at the very bottom for how to use this template. A couple things that aren't included on this homepage are the resources. So this is a page to just store all your swipe copy packages and offers and things that you commonly share with contacts and clients and other people. So it's easily accessed, and you can quickly copy and paste all of this and send it off to whoever needs it. So there's room at the top for all your links and passwords. Below that, there's room for swipe copy to copy and paste commonly asked FAQs. So you can, again, just copy and paste them, send them off. There's space to store all your testimonials to share. Below that, all your package and offers and services details. So you can, it's all in one place. You can quickly share that with others. And below that, just space for things like your logo, images, PDF files, and your bio and all that stuff. One other thing that wasn't included on the homepage is the intake and feedback forms. So if we just go into the intake form, I go into these forms in way more detail in my in-depth tutorial that you get when you buy this template. But just to give you a feel for this, here's an intake form page that I created. And again, I go into a few different options for how to create these and share the forms with your clients. And that is outlined in my tutorial at the bottom of this page that you'll get when you purchase this template.